Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install application for your speaker Baseus VO20. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to search. Click on search line and write Baseus. Now search. And you should install this application. I have read. Start now. You can also change a region here. Enter guest mode. Accept. While using cap. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!